In this video, I burn my fingers on an LED, we solder a 220 ohms resistor, and we watch a shooting star. Here we have a painting with some nice light effects. Every once in a while a shooting star flies by, but when we look at the sky there are no stars. So somehow the stars stopped shining. Let's see if we can get the stars shining bright again. Removing the battery tray does not reveal a lot. Let's see if we can remove some of the cardboard on the back to reach for the light. The cardboard on the back is glued, so there is not much else to do than to carefully shove the thinnest piece of metal I have between the painting and the cardboard. Now we can access the actual lights, and it looks like the stars are powered by one light source that is distributed by optic fibers. After desoldering the light source, we are able to remove it from its container. That looks very much like a nice old school LED. Testing the LED with the bench power supply reveals that it is indeed not working anymore. I do have a blue replacement LED, but if I put 4.5 volts on it, which is produced by the painting's own 3 batteries, it gets really hot and it draws more than 100 milliamps according to my bench power supply. That is way too much and creates way too much heat. We don't want to risk the painting getting on fire. Maybe this is the reason the original LED broke, because usually LEDs don't want more than 3 volts. To solve this problem, I will put a 220 ohms resistor between the batteries and the LED. In that way it will get a lower voltage, and putting my multimeter in between the LED and the power supply shows between 6 and 7 milliamps. That is way better. Let's do this the right way and use some shrink tube to isolate everything. So here we go, a nice little repair, and we were able to make the star shine again. So if you have a painting that should light up but doesn't anymore, make sure you put a resistor between the power source and the replacement LED to restrict the current to a value that is at least lower than 20 milliamps, which is a current that will make these old school LEDs happy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, or be my total hero and join my channel. I hope you will join me in the next video. Bye then!